Let us start. Question number 1. Who among the following saint did not use the Mewati dialect? That was the Sundardas ji. Who among the following scholars not known for his work related to the language and dialect of Rajasthan? That was the Nom. What is the name of the dialect produced from the conflation of Marwadi Malvi, which is prevalent in the Rajput region? That is the Rangdi. Okay. Which among the following prevalent different form of the Dundadi dialect? That was the Kheradi. Who is the author of the text Pingal Shiromani? That was known as the Kushal. Who is the writer of the Marwad Murals? That was the Ramavatar Agarwal. In which of the language the Prithviraj Rathod written the Veli Krishna Rukmani Ri? That was the Dingal. In which of the language literature of Dadu Pant is compiled? That was Dundadi. Writer of the book of the Buddhi Vilas? That was the Bhakt Ram Shah. Vijaydhan Detha is associated with the folk literature. In the story of the Dola Maru of the age of Dola at the time of the marriage that was the 3 year. Now Hamir Hatt, that was known for the Padmanabh. Hamir Mahakavya, that was known for the Nayan Chandra Suri. Kannada Prabandh Padmanabh, and the Prithviraj Vijay, that is written by Jayanak. Which is the following not correctly match? Bol Barmali, that was the Yadvendra Sharma, that is not. Bol Barmali is not from Yadvendra Sharma. Phagi is given by the Chandra Prakash, and Kodmade from the Meghraj Mukul, and Pagphero. Pagphero is a Mani Madhukar, so that is Pagphero. Now consider करना है हमें विजयदान देथा के बारे में. So Vijaydhan Detha was a famous writer of the Rajasthan, and the Vijaydhan Detha was the co-founder of the Rupayan Sansthan. Raj Vilas was written by, that was related by the Man. So Man is written by this. Now the what term of the Gerson used for the dialect of this? That was used for the Bili. Now from which language the Rajasthani was originated? That was originated from the Sharoseni Afghans. Who compiled the Vamsh Bhaskar? Vamsh Bhaskar was compiled by the Morari Dan. Which of the following novel is not written by the Range Raghav? That was Mitti Ka Kalank. Which is the following dialect has strong influence of the Malvi? That was the Wagdi. Which language of the Rajasthani has the Marathi influence? That was the Malvi. Which among the following writer of the Raj Tarangini? That was Kalhan. Which is the following was authored by Veerban? तो वीरबान ने राज रूपक को ऑथर किया था. Which is the following written by the poet Kaviraj Shamaldas? That was the Veer Vinod. Which pair among the following pair is not correctly matched? So Bilhan was given the Malti Madhav, that is not true. But yeah, Bati was the Ravan Madha. Mag was the Shishupalvad, and the Hemachandra Suri, that was Kumar Pal Charitra. Al-Biruni Kitabul Hind, that was Arabic में लिखी गई है. The text of the Muhurtmala from the Chakrapani Mishra. Okay, which is the following work was composed by the Mirabai? That was the Padavali. Which is the following not correctly match बताना था. So Bol Bamli was the Yadvendra Sharma, that is not true. But Phagi Chandra Prakash Deval, ये पहले भी कर चुके हैं. पग फेरो मणिमणिकर. कंसिडर फॉलोइंग विजयदान. तो विजयदान जो थे दैट वाज फेमस फॉर द राजस्थान, एंड इट वाज को फाउंडर ऑफ द रूपायन संस्थान. कर्णीदान ये वाला क्वेश्चन पॉइंटेड है. मनोत वैसे हमें करना हो तो हम कर भी सकते हैं, जैसे कि श्यामल दास हैं, ठीक है, सूरज प्रकाश, वीर विनोद, सूर्यमल मिश्रण की है. तो डी का 4 तो यहाँ दिख ही नहीं रहा, तो क्वेश्चन पॉइंटेड है. मनोत नैन्सी जो थे उदयपुर से रिलेटेड. वूज द ऑथर ऑफ पृथ्वीराज विजय? दैट वाज जयानक. विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग राइटर ऑफ द राज तरंगिनी? दैट वाज कलहण. वो इज द ऑथर ऑफ द प्ले एंटाइटल्ड द पटका जंजाल? दैट वाज द शिव चंद्र बड़तिया. पटका जंजाल. ओके. Which is the following wasn't composed by the Kumbha? That was the Raj Vallabh is not composed by the Kumbha. Hamir Hatt was given by the Chandrasekhar. Hamir Mahakavya Naya Chandra Suri. Kamardev Prabandh, that was the Padmanabh. And the Prithviraj Vijay, that was Jayanak. Nitya Rat Nakosh, that was the Kumbha. Who is the author of the Mutinis Rajputana? That was given the IT Pritchard. Sondwadi is related to the Malvi. And the first novel of Rajasthani language, that was the Kanak Sundari. फर्स्ट राजस्थानी ड्रामा जो है दैट इज केसर विलास. फर्स्ट राजस्थानी स्टोरी दैट वाज द विश्रांत प्रवास. इट इज़ विश्रांत प्रवास. एंड फर्स्ट पोएटिक वर्क जो था दैट इज़ द बादली. बादली इज़ द पोएटिक वर्क बाय द चंद्र सिंह बीरकली. वो कंसिडर्ड द भीष्म पितामह ऑफ द राजस्थान. So he was the Pandit Jawarmal Sharma, which was book composed by the Krishnanand Vyas. That was the Rag Kalpadrum. Which book was the Jankavi? जॉनकवी से रिलेटेड है बुद्धि रासो. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज़ सबसे पहले है हमारे पास केसरी सिंह भारत. दैट वाज कब तक पुकारूं. एंड राघव राजन दैट वाज द कब तक पुकारूं सॉरी. एंड मणिमणिकर दैट वाज द पगफेरा. केसरी सिंह भारत की है दुर्गादास चरित्र. एंड नागराज शर्मा की बुक है इप्तो चेतो. विच फॉलोइंग नॉट द कंपोजिशन ऑफ द कुंभा. तो ये है खुमान रासो नहीं है. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग राइटर इज़ फेमस फॉर द रणजी के लिए जो फेमस थे लक्ष्मी कुमारी चुंडावत. उस झांसी की रानी भी कहा जाता है. वृंदावन लाल वर्मा जो हैं इन्होंने बुक लिखी थी. वो इज़ द राइटर ऑफ जैसलमेर की गुंडाराज दैट वॉज सागरमल गोपा. द हमीर महाकाव्य दैट वॉज नैनचंद सूरी. विच इज़ मोस्ट प्रॉस्परस लिटरेचर दैट वॉज द चारण होता है. गोल्डन एरा जो है दैट इज़ द लेट मिडेवल. चूज द इनकरेक्ट बताना था. वंश भास्कर हेमरत्ना. The princely literature heritage of Rajasthan that was 12. Who is the writer of the Jaswant Jaso Bhushan? That was the Murari Dan. Which language is spoken in the Dungarpur and the Banswara? That was the Wagadi. Which is the following dialect has been a strong influence Malvi? That was the Wagadi. Who is the composer of Hamir Raso? That was the Sarangadev. Who is the composer of Rajasthani Kahavatein? That was the Murlidan Vyas. Now next one is Hamir Vardhan. That was Chandrasekhar. Which is book written in the Dingal language? That was Sagat Singh Raso. The Rajasthani poem Dharti Dorari. That was Kanayalal Sethia. Who composed the Patal Pital? That was the Kanayalal Sethia. Composer Love of the Dolamaru. That was the Kavi Kallol. The description tribute of Rana Pratap and Man Singh. That was given the Nenti Rikhyat. ठीक है. Who is writer of the Marwar Parganari Vigat? That was given the Munot Nancy. Who is the father of the new poetry? That was the Jai Singh Neeraj. The credit of the comprehensive Rajasthan dictionary. That was the Dr. Sitaram Lalas. Who is the writer of the Ras Manjari and the Ragmala? That was the Pundarik Vittal. Who is the first poet of the Nav Jagran Rajasthan? That was the Suryamal Mishran. Who is composer of Bhasha Bhushan book Jaswant Singh. When was the first Hindi novel of the Ablaon Ka Insaf? That was 1927. Which is first novel of modern Rajasthani literature? That was Kanak Sundari. Which is following known as the epic poem? That was the Prithviraj Raso. Sajjan Kirti Sudhakar. That was given by Haribhav Upadhyay Pratap. And Pratap was given by the Ganesh Sankar. Present day scripture that was given by the Manikyalal Verma and Saraswati Manikyalal Verma. And the present day scripture that was the Haribhav. Which is the following paper magazine is not related with the Vijay Singh Pathik? That was Agni Agivan Peep. Which is the following not composition of the Isar Das Bharat? That was the Krishna Jiri Veli. Which is the following mismatch बताना था. अचल दास खिचड़ी वशनी का अचल दास. Who is the writer of the घर तो एक नाम है बरोसी रे? That was the अर्जुन लाल चारण. Which is following mismatch बताना है. सपन प्रिया that is पंडित भारत व्यास. That is सपन प्रिया that is mismatch. चेतावनी रे चुंगटिया that was फतेह सिंह ने दिया था. Who is the writer of the वीर सतसई? That was सूर्यमल मिश्रण. Which is following book written by डिंगल. डिंगल में है सागत सिंह रासो. सागत सिंह रासो by the डिंगल. Okay. Who is the following composer of the प्रत्यक्ष जीवन? हीरालाल शास्त्री. Now next one is being described Hamir Mahakavya. That was given the Suryavanshi. Who is the composer of the Sundar Vilas? That was given the Sundar Das. Who was the composer famous music Rag Manjari? That was the Pundarik Vittal. Who is the composer of the Badli? That was the Chandra Singh. मैं देखता चला गया. That was the Gulab Kothari. Which Maharana Mehar was written book on the music? That was Kumbha. Who is the writer of Rajasthani story collection Pargava? That was Dinesh Panchal. Rao Jetsiro Chand. That was Dingal. Who is the composer book of the Jameen Ro Danikund? Kanayalal Sethia. Jai Singh Suri. That was Hamir Mardan. The Chauhan has depict the Hamir Mahakavya, that was the Suryavanshi, in which architecture is composed by the Mandan, that was the Roop Mandan, who is composer of the Rag Kalpadrum, that was the Krishna Lal Vyas. Which following is the mismatch बताना है. Mandan Sangeet Raj, that is not true. Which is following was the Chand Bardhan, that was the Prithviraj Raso. And the Chatavrira Chungatia Krishnirang Berat, the composer of the Dola Marura Kuhar Kavi Kallol, the following writer of the Jai Singh, that was the Jai Singh, the writer of the Bikaner Rathod Khyat, that was Dayal Das, the Hamir Mahakavya, that was Suryavanshi में लिखा है. Who is the composer of the Vijayadan Raso, that was the Nal Singh Na, composer of the Narpati Nal, that was the Bisaldev Raso, composer of the Bhaktmal, that was the Nab Das, who composer of the first novel of the Sanskrit Shivdas Vijayam, that was Ambika Dutt Vyas, who's composer of the Maharaja Bikaner Anup Singh, that was the all. Which is the following work composed by the poet of Dingle, that was given the Gaj Band Rao Amar Singh, Chand Gorakhnath and Vivek Varta. Now the Kushal is related to the Madhvardhan and Kanayalal Sethia, that was a Dharti Dorari. Bitu Mia, that was the Pujari Chand, and the Muraridan, that was the Yashwant. Mandaliya is the wand. Mandaliya हम पहनते हैं, that is women जो neck में पहनती है. Which is following राजस्थानी famous black pottery, that was सवाई माधोपुर जो है वो फेमस है ब्लैक पॉटरी के लिए. चंपाकली जो है ये है नेक पर पहनते हैं. उस्ता आर्ट जो है ये लेदर क्राफ्ट है. Following is known for important role in preservation promotion of art of puppetry, so that is Bhartiya Lok Kala Udaipur. Which one of the following not a jewelry of the neck? So Ogniya नहीं है, आड़ मांडलिया and तेवता है. The person who used to wrap the turban, तो इसको हम कहते हैं छाबर छबदार. कोयतू क्या है? ये बील ट्राइब्स गाते हैं, मतलब कोयतू एक क्लोथ है. By which name the famous blue pottery, that was the Kamchini. And Ramjor is related to the feet. Ornament of Mehmat is head. Namda and the tonk. Ornament of the Sheeshful, that was in the head. Champakali, that was in the neck. Jela Jamila, that was in the ear. Traditional craft of Jaipur, that was blue pottery. Blue pottery was introduced, that was the Maharana Ram Singh. Ram Singh ने blue pottery को किया था invent. Now Amar Shahi, that was related to the Pagri. Which is associated famous Seva art, that was the Pratapgarh. Which is following affect the maximum painting, so that was the Shri Krishna. What is the main topic of the pitch? Why? That was the Shri Krishna Leela. What is the Kela? Kalila Damna, that was the character name of the story of the Mewar style. Repeated painter like the Ramlal, that was the Bikaner. The painting known as the Ustad, that was the Bikaner. And the relation of Bikaner painting style, that was all. Like Bikaner style is dynamic, jewelry होती है, and sky has been portrayed with the golden umbrellas. Which is the true relation of the Marwad? Marwad is the Mansingh, and the prime for the Marwad, and that was red and yellow color. Drawing on the camel, that was known as the Bikaner. And Nihal Chand, that was the Sawan Singh. And the ruling period which ruler did the Kishangarh style, that was known as the Raja Nagaridas. In painting of the Kishangarh style, which tree was being primarily portrayed? That was the banana. The relation of Kishangarh painting style, which of the following is true? ह्यूमन फिगर होते हैं, कृष्णा लीला होती है, पिक्चर्स होते हैं. बनी ठनी, दैट वाज किशनगढ़. निहालचंद, दैट वाज किशनगढ़. लेक फिल्ड विथ लोटस, दैट वाज किशनगढ़. विच रूलर रूलिंग पीरियड ऑफ द नॉन द गोल्डन पीरियड? दैट वाज द सावन सिंह. ऑन विच पेंटिंग राजस्थानी पेंटिंग स्टाइल? दैट वाज बनी ठनी. इमोशंस जो हैं वो निहालचंद ने दिए. फ्रॉम किशनगढ़ स्टाइल लाइमलाइट से आई थी. नन. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग पेंटिंग गिवन द स्पेशल इंपॉर्टेंस टू लाइक बर्ड्स को? बूंदी स्टाइल. द कीप मुरल पेंटिंग जिसमें होती है उसको कहते हैं अरियाशा. अरियाशा एक ड्राफ्टिंग मेथड है. द पेंटिंग गैलरी ऑफ विच रूलर पीरियड? ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बूंदी, दैट वाज महाराव उमेद सिंह. द मुरल पेंटिंग मोस्ट कहाँ पर है, सबसे ज़्यादा है कोटा बूंदी में। नूर मोहम्मद किससे रिलेटेड है, कोटा से। अलनिया फेमस है, अलनिया जो है ये कोटा से। विच इज़ क्वीन वॉज शोइंग हंटिंग, हंटिंग सीन जो है कोटा में। विच फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉन द एनिमल बर्ड पेंटिंग दैट वॉज द बूंदी स्टाइल। Which following was the primarily starting pens for the painting used for the Rajasthani, that was Bundi style. Mandava famous for the type of mural and trained of the Mahamaru. Mahamaru was the Gurjar Pratiyar. Relation to the mural painting, that was the Shekhawati. Portrait height of the human, especially which style, that was the Jaipur style. From the following, especially not related to the Jaipur, that was the Sheshal Chitra. On which Rajasthan maximum influence of the Mughal, that was given the Jaipur style. The origin Rajasthani painting style has occurred from, that was the Abranch style. मेवाड़, मेवाड़ में जो है कदम्ब ट्री है। किशनगढ़ स्टाइल, that was the banana tree. कोटा and बूंदी, that was the date palm tree. And the Jaipur and Alwar, that was a people tree. Who's the painter Jaipur style who has the human size painting tree, that was the Sahib Ram. मेवाड़ स्कूल, that is Chavand. Marwar, that was Kishangarh. Hadoti, that was the Jalawad. And the Dundar, that was the Alwar style. Okay, now next one is the painted book named the Shravan Pratikarnika Churn, that was Marwar. Mumal, that was Jaisalmer. Where is the museum of the Pothi Kala, that was Jaipur. सांस एंड डक क्रेन्स होते हैं किशनगढ़ में. द पेंटिंग कॉल्ड द उस्ताद हैव बीन मुरल पेंटिंग, दैट वाज बीकानेर. विच प्लेस ऑफ स्टेट फेमस फॉर द मुरल पेंटिंग, दैट वाज हाड़ौती. द पिक्चराइज इवेंट क्लास व द मेकिंग पेंटिंग ऑन द क्लोथ, दैट वाज फड़. मोस्ट फेमस फड़ जो है, दैट इज़ द पाबूजी की फड़. द फड़ ऑफ द लोकेट डाइटी ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट विथ लॉन्गेस्ट टेल, जिसकी है देवनारायण. द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इशूड द पोस्टल स्टैम्प, दैट वाज द देवनारायण जी. And the point or trade make the geometrical ornaments, that was the mandana. In order to preserve the small belonging mud palace होते हैं, that is the wheel. And where is the famous manufacturing बतानी थी. तो सबसे पहले खेसले क्या है, चित्तौड़गढ़ में है. नमदे, that was बीकानेर. टोंक and पेटू that was जैसलमेर. and the बिछोंडे का जामना, that was in चित्तौड़गढ़. which is the following mismatch बताना है. गलीचे कहाँ पर हैं, जोधपुर में हैं क्या, नहीं है. द गुड क्लोथ प्रिपेयर्ड, लाइक टोडिया बोलते हैं जिसको, बोलते हैं बाखला. द पोमचा, दैट वाज ए पर्टिकुलर ओढ़नी होती है. बादला, दैट वाज जोधपुर में. एंड द मोथला कॉस्ट्यूम, दैट वाज इन ओढ़नी. एंड डूंगरशाही ओढ़नियाँ जोधपुर में होती हैं. ठीक है. व्हाट इज़ द कलर ऑफ द ओढ़नी ऑफ पोमचा, दैट वाज द येलो. विच इज़ मिसमैच बताना था. चुनरी भरतपुर में नहीं है. राजस्थान एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क डन गोल्डन में जो होता है, जिसे जरजोजी बोलते हैं. हैंडलूम मार्क को हम कहते हैं हैंडलूम क्लोथ्स. राजस्थान वाज द लीटा एंड द मंगरोल सालावास नोन फॉर द नीटिंग ऑफ द क्लोथ्स. व्हाट इज़ द लप्पा लप्पी, दैट इज़ द वेरियस टाइप ऑफ गोटा. द प्रोसेस विच गोल्ड एंड प्लेटिनम ज्वेलरी इन बिल्ड, दैट इज कुंदन कला. Where does the मीनाकारी in the Jaipur. And famous मीनाकारी कला जो है प्रतापगढ़ में है. What is the name of the art, that is the microscopic portrait the gold, that was the Thewa art. The state where the work of the मीनाकारी done, that is known the Bikaner. In the family of the art मीनाकारी famous, that was Jaipur. श्री अब्दुल गफ्फार खां, ये कहाँ के हैं, पीतल एंड कुदाई. Which is the famous state famous for the Thewa art, that was the Soni family. Where is the Rajasthani related to, that was the Jaipur से related. The maximum development in the field of the blue pottery, that was the सवाई राम सिंह सेकेंड. ओके, नाउ अब इसके बाद में जो क्वेश्चन हैं, विच इज़ एक्चुअली रिलेटेड टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन.